Hello, we're going to be working 5-5 a little bit today just on differentiation, and we're going to be looking at derivatives of equations like this, a to the x. So bases other than e, and we're going to be looking at log equations with bases other than e. So just to recall some important things that are going to help us prove how to find the derivative of a to the x. And it's that inverse relationship, ln e to the x is equal to x, and e to the ln x is equal to x. So that's going to help us in finding the derivative of a to the x. So let's try and write a to the x with a base e. And then if I have e to the u, then I know how to find the derivative of e to the u. So a to the x can be rewritten e to the ln a x, right? E to the ln a is just a to the x power. So now I can think about the derivative of my rewrite, e to the ln a x. And I'm going to call u ln a x, u prime is just ln a. So let's take the derivative. E to the u times u prime. And I want to recall e to the ln a is really just a to the x times ln a. There you have it. So let's just rewrite this. The derivative of a to the x is equal to ln a, it's just a constant, times a to the x. And if I have something a little more complex, the derivative of a to the u, where u is a function in terms of x, I just have the chain rule I have to deal with. And it's just ln a times a to the u times u prime. Alright, hopefully you have that down. If not, pause here so you have these two new formulas for you to memorize. So you really don't have to memorize them. If you know e to the u, then you can rewrite and you know your inverse relationships and all what you're supposed to know. Then you're good to go. Let's look at a couple of examples. Alright, here's one. Y equals 5 to the x. Find the derivative. Derivative is equal to ln 5 times 5 to the x. And that's it. I can look at another example, y equals 3 to the 2x. So now I have an a to the u scenario. And derivative is equal to ln a, ln 3 times 3 to the 2x times 2. So this can be rewritten like this. The 2 ln 3 times 3 to the 2x. Let me see something here. What happens if I rewrite y equals 3 to the 2x as 3 to the 2x as 9 to the x? Do I get the same thing? Well, y prime is equal to ln 9 times 9 to the x. Was that the same thing as y prime is equal to 2 ln 3 times 3 to the 2x? Are these two things the same? Well, what do I remember about this rule? Right? ln 3 squared would be 9. And this is just 3 squared times 3 to the x, or 9x. Same thing. Cool, huh? Alright. I'm going to give you another video for the log base A. See you in a couple.